you think that the Harry Potter series is the only book that was written by J.K. Rowling, you are wrong. The Ikabok by J.K. Rowling is a book that deserves special attention and love from its readers. Good day to all. My name is Sujyavan Arul and I am from XJKT Permatan Tinggi. I am 11 years old. I am also an avid book reader. These are just some of my collections. Today, it is my pleasure to review about one of my most favorite books, The Ikabok. One cannot resist the beautiful appearance of this book. This book features a sturdy hardcover edition. Underneath a beautifully drawn dust jacket lies a vibrant colored cover. The pages are thick and high quality, making it a durable addition to any bookshelf. The font size and spacing are well suited for younger children, making it an easy, amazing, and appealing book to read. This book was published in 2020 by Little Brown Books for young readers. This book has 64 chapters and 282 pages altogether. This book is also available in audio and ebook version. The story is about the kingdom of Cornucopia, the most happiest kingdom in the world. It is famous for its delicious food. Renowned for its unique cuisine, the food there is so scrumptious that people in distant lands speak of it with admiration. But far away, it seemed that the lands of Cornucopia had exhausted itself, struggling to produce lush plants. In the marshlands, only thin, patchy grass grew, barely enough to feed the scrawniest of sheep. When Prince Fred, the fearless, gets crowned as the king, he is easily manipulated by his two evil friends, Lord Flapoon and the vain Lord Spittlewood. These two evil friends gain control of the country by exploiting a myth. They fool the king and the country people by telling lies about the imaginary monster Ikabok. They told that the imaginary monster Ikabok actually exists and is a threat to the country. They even faked the deaths of Major Beamish and a few other people. They claim tax from the country people, pretending to save the country from the imaginary monster Ikabok. All this slowly but surely pushed the kingdom into poverty, while these two evil men got richer, and richer. At this intermission of the story, four heroic children named Bert, Daisy, Martha, and Roderick set out on a perilous journey to solve the conflicts in the kingdom and expose Spittlewood's lies. On the perilous journey, they discovered that the Ikabok actually exists. But to their surprise, it is a good creature. They revealed to the country people the truth. The country people understand that the reason behind Major Beamish and a few other people's deaths was because of Spittlewood's lies, not because of the Ikabok. Assisted by the Ikabok, the children and the country people revolt against Lord Flapoon and Lord Spittlewood. The children restored the kingdom in good hands and made it a safe place for Ikaboks. This story sheds some light onto the power of truth and abuse of power. Spittlewood, the villain in this story, abuses the country people using his power. But Daisy, Martha, Bert and Roderick revolt bravely to find the truth. As a student, I learned that whatever challenges I encounter in my life, I should face them bravely. I also learned that I should always stand up against injustice and look for the truth. Thank you for listening to my review. I assure you that I'll read many more books and give many more reviews. I am truly grateful to J.K. Rowling to have written such an amazing book like this. Thank you again.